My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. And now I'm gonna blow you away on how I steam my lobster. I take a little water, and I put it in my frying pan, maybe a quarter inch. Take the lobster, put the lobster in the frying pan, put the cover on it, and now I will take my cell phone and we're gonna steam this for 7 minutes. Here we go. I get my lobsters from Nova Scotia. The colder the water, the better the fish. Timing is very important, always, about cooking seafood. Not a thermometer. Time's up. 1, 2. Voila, we're done. Lobster in 7 minutes.